there, it's Alex from WTI. Wait till you see all of the amazing exercises you can do on this GR8FLEX machine. It is unreal how many different exercises you can do with this machine. The quality of the product is hands down outstanding. The pulleys and rollers move effortlessly and so smooth, and it's such a well-assembled product that can withstand almost any body. I really appreciate the fact that no matter what fitness level you're at, the GR8FLEX can adapt and adjust to your needs and abilities. There are 15 different levels of resistance, all based on a percentage of your body weight. And if you want even more of a challenge, there's included resistance bands that can add up an extra 50 pounds for more high intensity workouts. I like to use this machine based on what part of my body I want to work. Leg day? Check. Arms and back day? Done. Abs day? Crushed it. It's easy to transition from one exercise to the next, and I like that the website provides not only a library of workout options, but you can also print off a journal to keep track of your progress. I was so excited to start using it and trying all the different attachments that are included that I was so sore for over a week. But totally worth it. It's extremely effective, and you can truly work your entire body out with this one machine. The ease of use and the variety of exercises keep you motivated to continue to use it day in and day out, adding incredible value to this top-notch home gym. And as someone with a plus-sized frame, I gotta say I was extremely comfortable using it. It's got a generous-sized sliding bench, and I felt stable and confident when I used it. I cannot say enough good things about this GR8FLEX home gym. I love the results I've gotten so far, just feeling stronger and improving my overall health. This is an amazing exercise equipment from GR8FLEX, and that's my point of view.